Hey, what is going on YouTube? Jay here from MJTech. Today coming with the unboxing and review of this e-bike that I purchased from Walmart.com for about $750 approximately. And well, this was all thanks to Gotrax. They went ahead and contacted me and said, hey Jay, you want to try our bikes? Of course, I have bikes here on my channel, but they are all gas powered. This is my first e-bike on the channel and I just want to give it a try just for the heck of it. This bike here is already quite affordable at $750 plus tax, so it came to about $800 approximately. And this one here has disc brakes on the front and back, 29-inch wheels. It has a top speed of about 20 miles an hour. It has a max distance without pedaling of 15.2 miles, but if you do pedal and do the assist mode, then you get about 24 miles approximately. It has a max rider weight of 265 pounds. So I guess I qualify for this bike because I am about 220 pounds approximately. And so yes, let's go ahead and start here with the unboxing and check and see what we have inside. So opening the box, this is everything that we get inside. As you guys can tell, this is very well packed all the way around. Inside here, I'm assuming, based on experience that I've had with other regular bikes, is that this is the seat maybe, and hopefully some tools. I believe it came included with tools based on other videos that I've seen. And I can tell already that everything is attached here to the frame itself. And the tires are semi-inflated. Let's go ahead and remove all this foam to the side. Wow, this thing is very well packed, guys. Very nicely done. And this was delivered by FedEx, and the box doesn't seem to have any damage, which is a plus. Alright, so now we have it here outside of the box, and I made a mistake here with this little guy, with this box. The seat is actually right here, and what we have inside is the pedals. We get the charger, some tools, this piece for the front tire, some manuals, and everything else has been zip tied here to the bike. We get the handlebar, which is right here, with all the electronics. And everything is super easy to put on. It goes on here. I can tell already I have done bike assemblies in the past. We just got installed here the front wheel, the pedals, and the seat. And that's pretty much it, guys. Alright guys, so here I want to show you quickly how to install this quick release type of system. And when you take it apart, you're going to have this plastic in which one side has like a little curved side and the other side is flat. The flat side goes towards the outside of the little handle here, and then this is so that this piece doesn't rub with the metal. And you're going to have a spring and you're going to have a plastic bolt. This piece, after you insert it in here, now you go on the bike's tire and insert it in like so. Now you grab the spring, the narrow side goes towards the inside, and you grab your little plastic bolt and you hand tight it. Until you are able to get this tightened. Make sure that this lever is all the way up. And now let me attempt this. I went a little bit too much. You can always play with it until you're able to get this little hand grip all the way in, nice and tight, and that's it. All right guys, so the bike has been fully assembled and charged as well, and I have tested it already. I did it around home today. After charging it overnight, I brought it here to the Okehili Park in Florida, to be specific, West Palm Beach, Florida. This is a huge park with a lot of open space here. So anyways, here we have the bike. I gotta say, honestly guys, I'm simply in love with it. I love the fact that the battery is embedded inside of the frame and it is removable as well. As a matter of fact, the only option you have here is to charge it by removing the battery. Now, just for my own comfort, I decided to remove the stock seat and get this what they call comfort seat. I bought this a long time ago from eBay. It is from this company called MC Miami, and yes, it's giving me a lot better results, but you know, different people, usually skinnier people, should do okay with the seat that comes with it. But a lot of people say I have a big butt, so for that reason I have to change seats. On the back side here, we have the 350 watt motor. You can see it comes with disc brakes as well. Out of the box, it came adjusted fairly well. I didn't have to do anything. On the front side here, we also have the disc brake as well. And I already showed you guys how to mount this already. We get a very cool looking LED light here on the front side. I did test it at night and it's quite bright as well, so it does its job. If you look here at the handlebar, we have the speed selector right here. I did have to calibrate this, by the way. Then we have the little throttle for the electric motor. Now with this bike, here we have the control module. You can see we have the on and off switch right here. We get the mode, low, medium, and high, and then your battery indicator. Now each dot represents about 25%. Now something I did notice with this bike is that it doesn't disable the pedal assist. So you either pedal and it'll help you depending on the speed that you selected, or you can just simply hit the throttle and it'll disable automatically the pedal assist and it'll just go into throttle mode. So that's how this thing works. It comes with a little bell here. It works. Not that I will use it, but it does work. So the bike, like I said before, took literally less than 20 minutes to assemble. It came with a key. This is to release the battery. So if I flick this open like this, the battery pops out. Now in order for you to set this up from the get-go, you have to charge it. First of all, it's kind of obvious to say, you have to charge it. Now there's a little button here, as you can tell. Right now it's in the off position. To charge it, it doesn't matter. It could be at the on or the off position, but to enable it here on the bike, you have to turn it on and then it charges right here. And the only way to know if it's fully charged is by your charger. Okay, to get this installed, you start here from the bottom, you connect it here to the pins, and then you come back here, push it down, and that's it. Now let's see if I actually turned it on by powering on the bike, and there we go. So again, here we have the power indicator. The 4 lights are on. By the way guys, make sure that all these bolts are tied up quite well. Some of them, sometimes from factory, they come loose. So just make sure everything's tight. You need to add air to your tires as well. And that's pretty much it. So now I'm gonna go get my GoPro mounted on here and have some fun. All right, so here we go. You have it on speed 2 right now, full charge, the lights off. And like I said, we can disable the pedal assist, so we can either throttle here or pedal and it'll help you out. So here we go. Super comfy bike, and I gotta say that seat really helps me a lot, guys. Not that the seat that was there before is bad. It's actually a pretty good seat, but it was hurting me, so that's why I had to switch. Luckily I had this in my garage and I had to switch to it. But wow, it's a very comfy bike. So far all the components appear to be built well. Right now, as you guys can observe right here, maybe you can observe based on my camera angle, I am pedaling. I have companion back here, so I can't leave him behind. I don't have my phone mount with me. I just have the GoPro mounts, so I can't show you guys the actual speed. But I did complete a speed test last night, and I did about, I think it was 18 or 19 miles an hour max speed. But remember, I am 220 pounds and the max capacity on this bike is 265 pounds, so I'm very close to it. What I did is that I inflated the tires. I believe these can hold a max pressure of about I think it's 65 psi. So I got them inflated to 55 psi, just so that it doesn't struggle too much with my weight. I gotta admit, guys, this park is huge. I love the Okehili Park for bike riding. It's more than perfect. Hopefully the wind is not messing around my recording here with the GoPro, since I don't have a proper microphone for it. I know I should be wearing a helmet, but I guess I like to take risks. Pretty soon I'm gonna switch to speed 3 and use nothing but the throttle. All right, here we go. I don't know if you can see that, but speed 3 and throttle only. This place has like little elevations, so sometimes it does struggle a little bit to move me around going up, but then once you give it throttle for like a minute or so, it really goes. So right now, as you guys can tell, I'm going, baby. I am going. Know me. All right, right there, bike route. Make a left. Wow, beautiful scenery here, guys. Beautiful scenery. All right, check this out, guys. This is happening at the Okehili Park. Today is Sunday, August 29th. Everybody's having a blast here. Wow, beautiful, beautiful. Check this out. This place is packed right now. Okay. Let me know down below what you guys think about this bike. Super cool. I haven't done an actual battery range test yet, but of course, since this is a short use review, well, I'm gonna keep you guys updated on what I think about it. I think I can go through here. But so far, wow, I am amazed, guys. I am amazed. That little motor is super quiet as well. Very, very quiet. And I think we just hit a dead end here. So let's just cut through the grass and go back on the sidewalk. I wish the indicator here was a little better quality one, like maybe one with an actual digital LCD panel. But this is all by you know, just little lights here and there. I don't think it gives you the most accurate battery life, but hey, it works. You know, what can I say? It works. And keep in mind, guys, this is an affordable bike you can get at Walmart. I mean, there's not a lot you can say about Walmart in terms of quality. I mean, people know that sometimes their quality can be questionable, at least the items that all these manufacturers sell there. But this one in particular, Gotrax, the Alpha, it's great, I have to say, guys. I mean, I had no complaints whatsoever. Well, guys, there we have it for a near perfect bike. As I said before, the seat was the only thing that I had to change, but I think that's a personal issue. I like fat seats, and this one comes with a skinnier seat, which wasn't very comfortable for me. But that's the only complaint that I have. So far, when it comes to the battery, I can tell you that I have done like about 3 rounds across the park here, or the edges, if you like to call it like that. I've gone through pretty much every sidewalk, and I've done it about 3 times, and the bike still has battery left. It has about 50%. Let's go ahead and get it started here, so that way we can check that out together. The battery, well, it is claiming now that it's in full, but there we go. It went down to 2 dots out of 4 dots. And again, it took a long time to get there, so I'm assuming I still have a couple of miles left, maybe 6 miles left in the battery, and that's absolutely great. As I mentioned earlier as well, I had to calibrate this part right here on the back side of the bike.
No, I'm good. Thanks.
I had to calibrate this piece right here by taking out the wire, or loosening the wire, and then placing it on the highest gear, which is number 7, and then going from there. There's a lot of videos that you guys can watch to get this calibrated properly, and now it's working perfectly well. But other than that, like I said, the bike is near perfect, guys. Let me know down below what you think. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, share, and also click on the bell icon so that you don't miss future videos like this. And I'll see you on my next one.